In this video, we will discuss for in loop. It is another version of for loop which we use to access properties of objects. I have created an object here with the name of languages. In the first, I have given the value of C. In second, Java. Third, Python. Fourth, PHP. And fifth, JavaScript. To do for in loop of this, I will use for keyword in place of of. In will come and have declared a variable of key. I have kept it as const because I won't change it. Then object's name. Here key can be changed. You can give any variable of your choice, but the name of object won't be changed. You will write the same name of object here. I want that only the names of languages should be accessed, like C, Java, Python. When I will run this, then C, Java, Python, PHP and JavaScript will be printed. Now I want to access its properties also. For properties, I will only write key in output. With key, the properties will come. Then in first is C, second is Java, third is Python, fourth is PHP, and fifth is JavaScript. When we did output with languages, we wrote key to access values, and for property, we wrote key. If I do the same work with for of loop, here I have done for of loop, const key is off, and mentioned languages here. If I see like this, then no output will come. With key also, there won't be any output because for of loop is not applied on object. We use for in loop for objects, and to access array we use for of loop. This was the main difference.